Okay, this is the start of the vlog, so we're going to see how it goes. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I don't really know the structure of a vlog or what we're supposed to be doing, but first things first, we're rushing like normal and we're on the way to the gym. So I'm going to hit the gym. I can't remember what we're doing today. Go check the plan. I think it's things like snatch and clean and jerk. So if you don't know what they are, it's going to be quite interesting. Might look a bit stupid, but yeah, I think it's a little kind of like a big week. We're going to try and get some numbers up, see where we are. I've had a lot of time off of the gym, probably in the last 12 months, just with work being so busy and the focus being building the business, building the clientele, and all them fun bits. So we're back at the gym now. Christmas is over, New Year's is over, and I'm looking forward to actually getting back into some form of routine. But first, we need to see where we're at with numbers and sort of like strength and stuff. So we've had like 2 hours away. Everybody's covered in snow, and we've just got shitty rain. So hopefully we get some snow later. Let me know in the comments if you actually like the snow. And anybody that says they don't like snow just can't drive in the snow. I'm saying it. I'm just putting it out there. That's not me. That's a fact. That's just a fact. Try and film a little bit of the workout and see. I've got the DJI thingy here, so I've got all the gear and no idea. So let's see how it goes. I think the pros and cons are training at CrossFit gym. So I don't actually do CrossFit really. I just tend to do my own thing. I love the weightlifting stuff and that. But the pros are like the people are awesome. Like the community is so cool. The cons are it's freezing. You're in a warehouse. You're in a tin shed. So when it's freezing outside, it's probably more cold inside. So battling with that. But we've got the t-shirt on because it's either like lifting in a fleece, too hot, lifting in a t-shirt, it's too cold. No in between. But music's come back on now. It's a good vibe in here. If you've never done CrossFit, get in a CrossFit class. It's sick. Some people think this kind of training is pretty bad for you, and maybe it is. But you got to do what you enjoy. I think that's the main thing. If you enjoy it, you're just going to do it more, and then the more exercise you do, whatever you're doing is better, right? The whole you versus you thing, I think, is really real, and it's hard to think about that sometimes when you get jealous of other people. You look at the people and think, why am I not at their level? But at the end of the day, you've got to do what makes you happy and be there for your loved ones and stuff. So I don't think it's that deep as you want a certain way, you want to bench a certain way, whatever. None of it really matters. It's like, are you having fun? That's the gym session done. It was okay, didn't do much, but half of it's just turning up, I guess, isn't it? It's taken me a little longer to sort of get in that discipline mode with having so much time off, but we will get there. It's just about these days that feel like you're not doing much, but you're just still turning up, and it's ingraining that habit, I think. Anyway, I might be talking rubbish, but that's what I believe anyway. So hopefully we're going to get there at some point. The big ass lorry. Not my kind of music, but it's on the radio. It's just about turning up and building some habits again. So I've had so much time off. Motivation is very low, so I'm just relying on building some discipline now. But we're heading into work now. We're going to go and stick some wigs on. If you've never seen anything like this before, it'll be pretty cool. So hopefully some of my clients will let me film. If not, you can always check out the Instagram. There's hundreds of stuff on there. I am wearing a wig, right? I'm wearing a wig. So check out my Instagram. There'll be a video on there. You'll have to scroll down a bit, and it's actually me taking my wig off and shaving my head down and stuff. So it's pretty cool if you've never seen anything like that. But they're called hair systems. It's a really profitable business. So if you're a barber, you're a hairdresser, you're a hairstylist, I urge you to get in. Our company offers training of all sorts, offer online courses, offer in-person courses, etc. It's a really cool industry to get in. So we're going to head there now. We're going to get some work done, and then we'll go home, meet the missus, see the puppies, which is like the best part of the day. I love what I do. I love going to the gym and I love my job, but I love going home to my wife and my 2 puppies. That's why we do it. So I'm going to see you at work. And we couldn't film in there at all. They wouldn't let us film. So couldn't show you any of The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. I did, however, get a few snippets of the restaurant we went to, which was called... Ains, where was the restaurant? What was it called? Tattoo. It was called Tattoo in Manchester. Basically, it was nice, but it was basically overpriced Chinese food. But yeah, looked really nice restaurant and that. I think what I'm going to try and do is try and get more of the work stuff in. So today is Sunday. Come Wednesday when I'm back at work, we're going to get more of the work stuff done. Tomorrow will be more gym and sort of behind the scenes stuff. So I'm going to chill out now. Might give you some footage of my dogs being amazing. Apart from that, I'll see you guys later.